What's up? It's your girl Simone. Today in this video, I want to test a theory that I've been asked before, but now I'm just genuinely really curious, right? Should you cut the lace before you put the glue or the spray on, or should you cut the lace after you put the glue and spray on? Now typically I usually always cut the lace after I've glued and sprayed, and then I'm like, perfect, it's in place, let me go ahead and cut. But I do wonder what the difference is if you were to do it before or after. I feel like the only reason you might want to cut your lace first is if you want to wear your hair glueless and you just want it to see how it's gonna look beforehand. Today's video is sponsored by RPG, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's see and test it out. Today's wig is from RPG. Love RPG wigs. If I gotta do all the shebang and all of that, it's just not gonna happen. You can just take it out the box and put it on your head. And I like easy things. So, ooh, this color is nice. This is the wig that we have. Now, the reason why I really want to figure this out is for two reasons. Just to give my hair like a break from the product. I want to wear my wigs glueless from now on. And if you've already cut the lace on and it looks good without it being glued, you can literally just wear it glueless just like that. That's why I'm like, let's test this out and see. Now, even if you cut the lace after you've actually put the glue and everything on it, you still can wear it in the future and stuff, but it's customized and it looks good because it's cut towards how it looks with the glue. So now I want to see how it looks if I just wanted to just wear my hair just, you know. Okay, so I don't really do braids anymore, so I'm just gonna comb my hair into a low ponytail. Now we have our unit in place. And it does come with headbands. That's gonna actually make the wig stay in place without having to put any adhesive. So, you know, we do love that as well. Look this, and there's lace in the back, but I don't really like need that. And you don't want to keep that there, it's gonna be scratchy. And I don't wear stocking caps, so there would not be no stocking cap on in this video. The color is just, ooh, so far so good. It's so pretty. Okay, let's clip this back. Now, I don't have a mirror in front of me, so I'm really just cutting based off of luck and hoping that it comes out good. So fingers crossed, because I ain't got nothing. I'm just gonna follow the hairline of the wig. You know, for somebody who doesn't have a mirror, I actually think I did pretty good. My fake baby hairs. Let me comb them back. So let's go ahead and cut the other side now. And I really can't see on this side, so we're just gonna cut it in spaces. The only hard part about cutting the lace before you glue or spray is keeping the wig in place. That's probably the biggest challenge that I'm experiencing right now. Pretty good, pretty good. Like my British accent on the baby hairs. All right. Now we spray. Okay, so I just installed the wig with hairspray, and if I'm gonna be honest, it didn't make it harder, but it didn't make it easier. To be honest, it was not much of a huge difference. The only thing I will say is if your wig fits just perfect or is partially snug or stops right at the hairline, it might be a little bit harder for you to keep the wig in place as you're trying to spray or glue it down. So that's the only downfall, but it's not anything major because technically you would have to put it on right anyways before you glue it. So I just feel like the only con is this wig stops right at my hairline. Like, it's perfectly at my hairline. And I felt like I did have a challenge with keeping this side here while trying to hold this side so that it does not get like installed lopsided. So that's the only downfall. However, it's not enough for me to say I wouldn't ever try this again. It doesn't make much of a difference whether you cut the lace before or after. So there's that answer. Now we're gonna go ahead and just style it. But the wig is already styled, but I do want to do some baby hairs and a little bit of layering. So let's do the hairline first. So the hair, also, if you guys are wondering, this is the hairspray that I did use. I like the orange can, not really the pink one anymore because I feel like it flakes up. Orange one is gonna do you right, and it's not gonna flake up. This, not too much baby hairs, but enough, but I'm gonna go ahead and speed through this part as I'm doing the hairline. Go ahead and put your bands on. This makes life so much easier. We'll keep that on for a little while. My black bra is showing this whole video, so please ignore that. All right, now we need to focus on making this wig flat on the top. Curling iron. I used to use a hot comb, but I use a curling iron now. It's just so much easier. So far, kind of impressed. So I'm kind of impressed because I think it looks really good, feels snug, and that's important. Let me just go ahead and flatten the top of my hair, but so far I think it looks pretty good. Honestly, me cutting the lace before I actually installed it didn't make too much of a difference. If anything, it did make it a teeny bit harder to install because this wig stops right at my hairline. So as I was trying to do this side can't move it back, so you're stuck. So anyways, let me go flatten on the top of my head because there's just too much volume right here. Add some concealer to brighten up my part a bit. I want it to be too bright, so something simple like that. Okay, so let me end it off with, I always gotta put up oil in my hair. I always use whey. Install exactly how you want to install. Lace before installation might be easier for beginners, and cutting the lace after when it's already glued and sprayed might be easier for more experienced people. But of course guys, it's your wig, you paid for it. Do whatever makes you feel more comfortable, but I do feel like cutting it before installation might make it easier for you to be able to wear it glueless and have that option. So I absolutely love both ways, but I think for the future I'm gonna stick with just gluing and spraying before I cut the lace, right? Okay. Again, love this hair from RPG. RPG always delivers. Like, the wig is always just top tier. The hair is soft, the hair is silky, the lace looks amazing. I will say though, if you may have to color the lace a little bit because it is lighter than my skin, so I did put some makeup on it so that it did blend in perfect with my skin. But yeah guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I actually had a fun time testing out this little theory. So let's see what we can test out in our next video, and bye guys.